I want to show you how to make a no-sew mask to help keep you safe during the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. And I'm just going to use a bandana. It's about 21.5 inches wide, and the width is the main thing that matters. You want enough material there so that when you fold this over and put it on your face, it covers the entire area from the bridge of your nose down to your chin, just so your nose and your mouth are covered completely. So to start off with, and this is very easy and very quick, you make several folds with the bandana. This one's maybe 3.5 inches, 4 inches wide. Keep folding it over. If there's any material left when you're through folding, just fold that back. And once you've got it all folded, you take 2 rubber bands, or you can take 2 hair ties, something similar to that, and put one over each end. Just bring it in a little ways, but kind of close to the end. That's maybe 3.5, 4 inches. Do the other end. Kind of straighten that out. And then you're going to take one end, fold it to the middle, and take this other end and fold it into the other end. Stick it in there just a little ways. It doesn't have to go in very far. And once you've got that done, pull the rubber bands or the hair ties, whatever you've got, towards the end. Hold your bandana down and pull those out. And there you've got your mask. So now I'm going to put it on, and the rubber bands or hair ties just go over your ears. And if you do that, then you're all set. That's an easy, quick way to make a mask. And if you fold yours and put it together and it doesn't quite cover your nose and your mouth, just unfold it and redo it again. Resize it, make the folds bigger so it does cover that entire area. It can offer some protection. It's not as great as an N95 mask or anything like that, but it does offer some protection. And once you wear it out, as soon as you come home, take it all apart and throw it in the washer so it's ready for the next time you go out. Don't use this more than once without washing it. That's very important. If you can't get a hold of a mask commercially and you don't know how to sew to make one yourself, this is a good substitute. Something is definitely better than nothing in these times. If you don't have a bandana at home, you can just use some other type of cotton cloth. Cotton is breathable, which is what you want. Just measure a piece of cloth that's about 21, 22 inches on a side, and that'll be good enough. That should be big enough to fit just about anybody. And I'm going to just use an old t-shirt, because everybody's got an old t-shirt around, one that they don't really wear anymore, and it'll do perfectly. I'm just going to mark around the edges and then cut it out. So I've got it marked. Now I'm just going to cut it out. And of course all you need is just this one side of it. This is something you could even do as a family. So there's my material. It's not perfect, but you're going to fold those edges in and the rough edges won't even be seen. And it'll do the job. So there you go. That's very easy. It's very quick, and anyone can do this. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.